Are you in your 30s and wondering how to build wealth? You've come to the right place. This is a decade of life where many people start thinking seriously about their financial future. So, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to build wealth in your 30s. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Knowing where you want to be financially in the next 5, 10, or 20 years is crucial. It's about more than just saying, "I want to be rich." Define what wealth means to you, whether it's owning a home, being debt-free, or having a certain amount in savings. Step 2. Create a budget. This is your financial blueprint. It should outline your income, expenses, and savings. Be sure to factor in all costs, from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. Your budget should help you live within your means, while also setting aside money for savings and investments. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Credit card debt, student loans, or any other high-interest liabilities can eat away at your wealth-building efforts. Prioritize paying these off. Remember, the faster you become debt-free, the quicker you can start building wealth. Step 4. Start investing. Investing is one of the most effective ways to build wealth. Consider stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. If you're new to investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. This is a safety net that can cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having this fund ensures that you won't have to dip into your savings or investments in case of an unexpected expense or job loss. Step 6. Increase your income. This could mean asking for a raise, switching jobs for a higher salary, or even starting a side business. The more income you have, the more you can save and invest. Step 7. Continually educate yourself about personal finance. Stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and changes in tax laws. The more knowledge you have, the better financial decisions you'll make. In summary, building wealth in your 30s involves setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, paying off high-interest debt, investing, building an emergency fund, increasing your income, and continually educating yourself about personal finance. It's a journey that requires discipline, patience, and resilience. But with persistence and the right strategies, you can build substantial wealth in your 30s. Remember, wealth building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. So stay the course, keep your eyes on the prize, and enjoy the journey.